Today we're going to review the Hilton Garden Inn in downtown Jacksonville, Southbank. When you enter the building, there is a reception desk and a very cozy lobby, and behind it is a very small bar. This is the building corridor after the elevator lobby, and let's use our iPhone to open the door. Okay, here is the unit inside. So I guess the bathroom is on the right-hand side, but let's review the room first and check whatever amenity they have. So this is a coat racket, some coat hangers in here. It's like a mini kitchen. There's a microwave, Keurig coffee. So here is the bedroom. Let's see their beds. It's like a king size bed. There's a big sofa and little table here. Okay, so this is the other shot. You get a 40-inch TV, and there is a working desk in here. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Oh, very heavy door. Oh, pretty decent size. It's probably in Florida, right? So, get a big mirror, some towels. That's the toilet. The shower room. Very decent in size. Cool. I got a corner unit, and this is the northern view from my window, and you can see the skyscrapers behind. The western view is a little boring. It's just an apartment complex. That's their fitness center. It's not big, but if you're running on the treadmill, you can see there's a pool. That's the hotel, Hilton Garden Inn in Jacksonville.